Welcome back to the Hotel SOPs playlist. In this video, you'll learn our deep cleaning schedule SOP using a simple 30-day rotating checklist for guest room deep cleaning. The goal is clear. Keep rooms looking fresh every day, protect hotel assets, and avoid big, expensive repairs later. Instead of trying to deep clean everything at once, we spread the work across 30 days. Each room gets normal daily cleaning, plus a small set of extra deep cleaning tasks based on that day of the rotation. Here's how it works. First, list all deep cleaning tasks for a standard guest room. For example, high dusting and vents, curtains and shears, upholstery and cushions, underbed and behind furniture, baseboards and door frames, grout and tile, showerhead descaling, mattress inspection, carpet spot treatment, and light fixtures and lampshades. Next, divide these tasks into 30 daily groups. Each day should have just a few extra tasks that a room attendant can reasonably finish while still completing normal service. Then, create a 30-day checklist for every room. Day 1 shows that room's Day 1 deep tasks. Day 2 shows that room's Day 2 tasks, and so on until Day 30. On Day 31, you go back to Day 1. Some tasks are done only when the room is vacant. These include moving heavy furniture, flipping or rotating mattresses, heavy chemical use, and any work that creates noise or strong smell. Mark these clearly on the checklist so attendants know to wait for a checkout room. At the start of each shift, the room attendant checks the schedule for the date. For each room they clean, they do the normal cleaning, then complete that day's deep tasks and tick them off on the checklist or digital app. Supervisors should spot check rooms every day. They confirm that today's deep tasks are done, sign or approve the checklist, and note any maintenance issues for engineering. At the end of the month, every room has received a full deep clean, done steadily, without overwhelming staff. Use this 30-day rotating SOP to keep room quality high and assets in great condition. If you'd like to make your own custom SOP training videos like this one, go to vidfactory.ai.